Hello and welcome to this week's newscast from Power Engineering International. I'm Kelvin Ross. In this week's headlines, Siemens claims to have set 3 world records at a new combined cycle power plant in Germany. Dong Energy is to build the world's largest offshore wind farm in UK waters. A coal-fired power plant in England is to close just as another has been granted a 1-year life extension. And Horizon Nuclear Power says that the progress of its planned new nuclear power plant at Wilpher in Wales is not dependent on whether Hinkley Point C goes ahead or not. Siemens claims to have set 3 world records at a new combined cycle power plant in Germany. The Fortuna plant in Düsseldorf Harbour is equipped with an H-class gas turbine and is operated by Stadtwerke Düsseldorf. Siemens says that during a test run, Fortuna achieved a maximum electrical net output of 603.8 megawatts, which it claims is a new record for a combined cycle plant in a single shaft configuration. Siemens is also claiming a new world record for net power generating efficiency after Fortuna registered around 61.5%. The plant can also deliver up to around 300 megawatts for Düsseldorf's district heating system, which Siemens claims is a 3rd international record for a power station equipped with only 1 gas and steam turbine. The plant on the bank of the Rhine has now been handed over to operator Stadtwerke Düsseldorf. Dong Energy is to go ahead with the construction of what will become the world's largest offshore wind farm. The company has taken a final investment decision on Hornsea Project 1, which will be built off the Yorkshire coast in the UK. Spread over 407 square kilometres, an area larger than the island of Malta, Hornsea will comprise 174 wind turbines, each one 190 metres tall. The project will have a capacity of 1.2 gigawatts, making it the first offshore wind farm to exceed 1 gigawatt. Dong Energy's UK chairman, Brent Cheshire, called Hornsea groundbreaking and innovative and said it would power more homes than any offshore wind farm currently in operation. UK Energy Secretary Amber Rudd said that Dong's investment showed that Britain was open for business and was a vote of confidence in the UK and its plan to build what she called an energy infrastructure fit for the 21st century. French company Engie has announced the closure of the Rugley coal-fired power plant in England. The 1 gigawatt plant will close in the summer with the loss of 150 jobs. The plant is the latest facility to be scheduled for early closure after SSE announced the closure of the 2 gigawatt Fiddler's Ferry earlier this week. In a statement, Engie said that market conditions for UK coal plants had deteriorated rapidly in recent years as a result of a continued fall in power prices on the back of a commodity market decline and increases in carbon costs. The company added that under such conditions there was no prospect of Rugley recovering its future operating costs. Meanwhile, another UK coal plant, the 2 gigawatt Eggborough, has been granted a 1-year life extension. Its owners, Eggborough Power, signed a contract with National Grid, which will enable the 53-year-old plant to remain open until March 2017, a year longer than previously planned. Horizon Nuclear Power says the progress of its planned new nuclear power plant at Wilpher in Wales is not dependent on what happens with Hinkley Point C. Last week, Hitachi chairman Hiroaki Nakanishi raised concerns over the financial support that Hinkley has needed and added that Horizon needed to ensure that it too had a financial plan for the kind of money needed to build Wilpher. However, this week Horizon spokesman Leon Flaxman told Power Engineering International that the Hitachi's chief's comments merely reflected the importance of financing. He stressed that Horizon's plans for Wilpher aren't dependent on the success of Hinkley Point C, although he added that he would like to see the EDF project go ahead because it would create momentum and confidence in a nuclear resurgence in the UK. EDF has yet to make a final investment decision on Hinkley Point C in England because of new shareholder pressure regarding the costs of the project. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.